Simplifying radicals. Simplifying a radical means reducing it to its simplest form by extracting the perfect squares. So here we have the square root of a raised to the power of 2 times b, and we have rewritten it as a outside the square root, a times the square root of b. Here we have the square root of 50. 50 can be rewritten as 25 times 2. The 25 is equal to 5 to the second power. So we can write the square root of 50 as the square root of 5 to the second power times 2. Through the property of the roots, we can take the 5 out of the radical sign by eliminating the exponent, 2. We then rewrite the square root of 50 as 5 times the square root of 2. So we just applied this rule here. So we add this 50. We have rewritten it as 25 times 2. We have rewritten the 25 as 5 to the second power, which is 25. And following this, we have written the 5 outside the square root without the exponent. Then we just wrote the square root of 2. So we have simplified this square root of 50 as 5 times the square root of 2.